Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to draw a cheerful and adorable sea turtle together. Let's get started. First, draw a box to frame the picture. Start with its head, then draw its mouth and big eye.
Oh yeah!
Next, draw one of its front flippers. After that, draw its body shape.
Okay. Yeah.
Now add the shell and draw patterns on it.
Wow.
Draw its back legs and add patterns to them too.
Wow!
Don't forget to add patterns on the front flipper.
Okay.
Next, let's make the underwater world. Draw some coral and sea plants.
Okay.
Add bubbles to make it fun. Finally, draw the water surface at the top.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's time to color. Use green for its head, legs, and flippers.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Color the middle of its shell
I
brown.
don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so
Use
descriptive
brown
like an
for the
adjective.
patterns
I
on
got
its
a
legs
vendetta
too.
against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time, you're delirious, mysterious, because you are behind a fake exterior, inferior. You know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear
For the
words
rest
you
of
can
the
say
shell,
them back.
use
I want you
turquoise
to feel
and
free
yellow.
from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got. It was built to last, yeah.
Yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's
Color the
help.
sand
I
brown.
had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't
Mix
take
the swirl and
shit.
plants
I
bright
got
with
no
red,
love
green,
for the
yellow,
fakeness.
and
If
pink.
you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Use
Thoughts in
blue
my
to
head,
color
a
the water.
collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages, a vacant modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Then, color the bubble white. When the coloring is done, use a marker to outline the drawing. Now it's ready, a colorful underwater picture with a happy sea turtle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.
Okay.
See you next time.